Hey guys, Joe DeMarco from the Crazy New York Driver Show. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a case of 2018 Hess toy trucks. You may see I have the box right here behind me. We're going to open it up and we're going to look at the Hess toy truck for this year, 2018. So let's start doing that right now. Oh, by the way, as you can see, as usual, it's a cloudy, bleak, cold, northeast day. Here is the way the box arrives. This is a case of 12 Hess toy trucks. We're going to open this now, and you're going to check them out. You will need one of your trusty box cutters. All right, we're going to open the box now. We're going to carefully cut into it. Here is the way it looks. 12 trucks, each individually boxed and packed and ready to go. Now I'm going to take one out of the box because I need to photograph it anyway. So we'll just take one at random. Again, each truck comes in its own handy dandy little box like this. We will open up this truck right here. And here we go. Take this bad boy out. The Hess RV with ATV and motorbike. Here is your truck. This is the 2018 Hess toy truck, bound to be collectible. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Remember guys, I'm Crazy New York Driver and you're not. Thanks for watching. Rock on and peace!